Have you ever wondered why some people succeed no matter how many times they fail, while others give up after just one setback? Today, I'll share a story that will completely change the way you look at happiness, patience, and discipline in your own life. There was once a young man named Arjun who dreamed of becoming a successful writer. He faced rejection after rejection. Publishers shut the door on him, friends told him to give up, and even his own family sometimes doubted his choices. Every night he sat at his desk staring at blank pages, asking himself if he was wasting his time. But instead of quitting, Arjun made a promise. No matter how long it takes, I will write every single day. Days turned into months, and months into years. The rejection still came, but so did progress. His words became sharper, his ideas clearer, and his voice stronger. One day, after years of patience and relentless discipline, his book finally got published. And not only did it succeed, it changed the lives of thousands of readers. When people asked him what his secret was, Arjun simply smiled and said, "Happiness is not about quick success. It's about loving the journey. Patience gives you strength, discipline gives you power, and together they create miracles." The truth is, in our own lives, we keep chasing shortcuts, instant results, and overnight success. But real growth is silent, slow, and requires discipline. If you can learn to be patient when life tests you, if you can keep moving even when no one believes in you, one day your time will come. And when it does, you'll realize the secret of happiness isn't in reaching the destination, it's in becoming the person who never gave up on the way there.